Oh, hi guys. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl, Norleen. Now, today, I feel like preparing my favorite, and I will share it with you. Guys, it is salmon with just about anything. I just love me a good and nice piece of salmon, and trust me, my day will be absolutely perfect. So come along with me, guys. Join me in the kitchen while I share with you on my cooking journey how I prepare my salmon. To start my meal, I will do my green bananas. I will cook them for about 15 minutes. And guys, you can check out the link in the description box and you'll see how I cook green bananas in the ackee and saltfish video. After cooking for 20 minutes, I've added 2 tablespoons of butter and I will just use my fork to cut my cooked green bananas into smaller chunks. I am going to put it in the blender and blend it until I get a smooth, creamy, mashed green banana. After truncating it, guys, I put it in the blender and I blend it until it is smooth. Be careful, guys, when you're working with it because the banana is still hot after blending. It's onto the salmon, guys, and I'll put a drizzle of virginola oil on my salmon. I will season it with garlic salt and black pepper and a teaspoon of grounded season. I will allow that to marinate for about 15 minutes. Guys, this was seasoned already. I had to thaw it, so that's how I lost most of my season. But I'm just going to allow it to sit for about 15 minutes. So butter the bottom of your baking tray generously. And after 15 minutes, you're going to put your salmon on the baking tray, the skin side down. That's how I do my salmon. If you choose to do it another way, it's fine. I'm going to add to that 2 slices of lemon, cover it, and stick it in the oven at 375 degrees for 5 minutes. While the salmon is in the oven, I will go on to make the sauce. In the blender, I have 1 large tomato. I have just a small piece of red bell pepper, some onions, and 3 cloves of garlic. I will blend this for about 5 minutes until the particles are like a puree. I want it to be as finely chopped as possible. So in the frying pan or in the saucepan, I have 2 tablespoons of butter, and to that I will add the blended season and stir continuously. I will allow this to cook for about 5 minutes on high heat, and then I will lower the flame on low heat just to ensure that the particles are cooked properly. Guys, I want my sauce to be rich, buttery rich, and I want all the other flavors to be just bursting through when I add it to the fish. So I'm just adding a little bit of black pepper, add a little bit of garlic salt, and a little bit of all-purpose season, just a tiny bit, because we do not want to change the flavor of the sauce. So we're just adding some more garlic for added flavor. I will add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup and stir that in to be cooked with the other seasons. It's just to give me a richer color in the sauce. I will then spoon the garlic butter sauce onto the salmon and stick it back in the oven for an additional 2 minutes so the flavors seep into the salmon. So see the people, after 2 minutes, I'll plate it and this it look like garlic butter salmon served with mashed green bananas, cauliflower, and tomato slices. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to taste the meal. All right guys, so I'm going in for the salmon. So I'm gonna go with the salmon. I'm just open it for the see night. You see that, people? Salmon cooked and it is nice and pink on the inside. So me I go taste it and make you understand how good this is. I got just put a little zest, a lemon on it, because more all of the flavors them in my mouth all at once. So people, wait for it, people, wait for it. See it there, people, the smile of approval. It bad, it turn up. Me I go in again and me I go make you know how the banana tastes with the salmon. See it there? Me I put it all together. And watch it, people. Must say, yeah, it's shot. Yeah, so it there. Yeah, I this other thing. People, I'm telling you something. I'm a lover of salmon, but I've never done it buttery garlic salmon. I surprised myself. It nice can done. Guys, you don't have to take my word for it. You can try it for yourself. You see the cauliflower here? It nice and crunchy. And it just adds some texture to the meal. The tomato slices just add a burst of fresh flavor. And it is just awesome. The garlic on the salmon, it just tastes that rich fish flavor. I'm open to enjoy the time with me in the kitchen. Remember, guys, like, subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Tell them, please subscribe to Wims 2020. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for sharing your love with me. Love you all. Remember, push your post notification bell so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. Remember, tell the world a food we are prepared. Come and get your share.